With Father's Day just around the corner, today's episode is extra special. Why fathers matter. The power of present dads. We will honor dads, share research-backed insight, give practical gift ideas, and celebrate fathers everywhere. Research shows that children with engaged fathers are 43% more likely to earn A stars, 33% less likely to repeat a grade. In those countries where this happens, of course, with the UK as an exception. And these children also have better social and behavioral outcomes. Active dads also model that problem solving and emotional regulations, skills kids carry into adulthood. Fathers benefit from this too. They report that fathers who are actively engaged with their children have better self-esteem and healthier habits. During this Father's Day special episode, I want to share a personal story. My dad wasn't just present, he showed up every day, attending school meetings, cheering me on in sports events, and praying for me and my siblings every night. One memory that will stay with me forever was during a very difficult time of my life when I was writing my senior secondary school certificate exams. If it was in the UK, it would have been GCSEs, when I became seriously ill. When my dad found out, being in a boarding school, he drove that very day, came around, took me to hospital, made sure that I was fine, and decided to stay all throughout the period of my exam. And there were things that he did that boosted my confidence. He kept reassuring me that whatever happens with my exams, he will still be proud of me. That was enough to give me that courage, that confidence, that excitement to excel in my exams. That moment, his presence, he's believed, aligned something deep within me. It taught me something very special, and as an adult, I still look back to those special moments. This is what dads do. You leave a lasting legacy. You leave a lasting memory of days when things feels like impossible for children. And this is why we want to honor you today. Sharing that story, I know that not every child has a present dad. If you are stepping into that role as a dad, stepdad, an uncle, a coach, know that your presence matters deeply. Experts from the Fathering Institute shows that when fathers read, nurture, and play with their children, it helps the children gain emotional security and improve their verbal skills. Communities like Singapore Dads for Life share similar benefits. They indicate that these activities help enhance children's IQ, emotional well-being, and overall academic performances. Whether you are a stepdad, whether you are stepping into that father role, or an uncle, or a coach, I want you to remember that your influence can change life. If you are celebrating Father's Day, here are some thoughtful ways to say thank you. These are practical gift ideas that you can give to your father. Take an experience gift. Perhaps surprise your dad with a thoughtful tech gadget that they might like. I'm thinking maybe headphones, premium headphones, if they are into their music. Or give them a memory making experience. like maybe a golf lesson or a scenic flight. To maybe think about grooming sets. Help him unwind and feel very special and pampered with a high quality grooming set from any of the skincare bundles or a luxurious shaving kit. 3, maybe think of a memorable keepsake. Why not create a lasting impression with personalized gift, like engraved items or photo books that captures meaningful moments you have shared with your father? Or maybe give an investment gift, a timeless gesture, maybe a watch, or something quite precious that they can look back and treasure. Budget-friendly options. Even with a modest budget, you can make him smile with the stylish accessories or a heartfelt mug that says, "You are the best." Put something that reflects your father's personality and celebrate the gifts of his presence, because that is what matters most. And father figures, your consistent care matters more than any gift. Your attention shapes a child's worldview. Continue to do what you do best, creating that legacy for your children. To the world, let's honor fatherhood, not just today, not just this week, but every day. If a father figure or your father has impacted on your life, call them, message them today. And to the dads, taking intentional steps, thank you. Your love, your guidance, and your presence are a powerful investment to the next generation. And a special thank you to my father, late Joseph Koku Owusu. I love you, Daddy. This has been 3 Inspire.